Deleting a KashKick account removes your access to the platform, so make sure you understand what happens before confirming the request. By the end, you'll know how to delete your KashKick account, what to check before removing it, and what to do if you cannot find the option. The first step is to log into your KashKick account. Open your account settings and look for any option related to account management, privacy, or account removal. Before deleting your account, check your balance and any pending rewards. If you have available earnings or unfinished offers, review your account information before closing access. If you decide to continue, follow the account deletion instructions available through your KashKick settings or account support options. Some users may not see a direct delete button inside their account. If that happens, contact KashKick support and request account deletion. When contacting support, include the email address connected to your KashKick account, and clearly state that you want the account removed. A clear request helps support identify the correct account and process the request properly. Before sending the request, make sure you are using the same email address connected to your KashKick profile. Using a different email can make account verification more difficult. After submitting a deletion request, check your email for any confirmation messages from KashKick. Follow any verification steps they provide. If you change your mind later, remember that deleting an account may affect your ability to access your previous account information. If you are deleting KashKick because of a problem, consider checking whether the issue can be fixed without removing the account. Problems with payments, offers, or account access may have separate solutions through support. The main steps are simple. Review your account first, request deletion through the available account options, and confirm the process through KashKick support if needed. Open KashKick now and check your account settings before submitting a deletion request, so you know exactly what information you are removing. Subscribe for more KashKick guides and account troubleshooting tips, and like the video if this helped you close your account successfully.